Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really sweet 2011 Harley-Davidson Dyna Wide Glide that I want to show you. Whoever put the custom touches to this really had some good taste. It's got a set of contrast cut rims on it, aftermarket rims. Not sure who makes those, I didn't look it up, but they're really nice. The front of the lower fork legs look real good, no oxidation or anything there. This bike's had a detachable windshield added. Just pull these levers, two on each side, and the windshield will come off if you want to take it off. Really nice metallic orange paint with the black old school hot rod style flames. Got a Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake on it with the same edge cut, contrast cut style on it, and matching pegs, levers, pedals. These are Harley upgrades, the edge cut levers, and hand grips, mirrors. Very nice. It's got a set of Vance & Hines slash cut exhaust on it. 96-inch motor and a 6-speed. It's also had a sundowner seat added to it. Very comfortable seat. Got a detachable rider's backrest, or passenger backrest, I'm sorry. Excellent tire back here on the back. Same matching rim on the back. Looks like might be a tiny little rub right there. Passenger or the rear passenger pegs. I'll get that out in a minute. They're all matching. Very nice. This bike's only got 4,872 miles on it. Pops right off. Ran this bike through our shop, checked it out, and she is ready to rock. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.